another video we're on. This is the video series of the month in the month before baby boy gets here. I'm filming every day little tidbits of our day and posting them, and it's gonna be a whole video series leading all the way up to the birth. Today, Saturday, we are starting our day with a picnic. We did some housework, and now we're having a picnic for lunch at lunchtime.
Candy always first.
At lunchtime, what did Daddy get you?
Candy first.
Oh, you got nachos.
Hey, it's candy first.
Like a nacho.
Oh shoot! It's ham.
A nachos Lunchable.
No.
Picked up some beef sticks. No, we're eating first.
She's gonna leave her beef stick there.
I like this. Let me see.
Oh, this is so good. I got a Quiznos sandwich. I don't know what Dad got me. What is this? Oh, a traditional.
Literally like off the stick, okay?
4th of July cakes? Red, white, and blue. Oh no, they're brownies. You ready? Here goes Nolan. Nolan!
Wait, Mom's gonna kill me on this.
No. You always want to go so high. Whoa! Wait, let's see Miley's eyeball. Look at me. Look at me in there, Luke. All right, Luke, let me see your. Ready? Do you see? Pull it back a little bit. Get up in there.
I'll be fun on the tiny one.
Yeah, so the evil queen.
That tiny.
Oh no, go help Daddy. The evil queen's coming to get him. Miley's on an evil queen kick.
Oh, look at the center spot. It's not so
Go up.
I'm going up.
Whoa.
What are you doing up there?
All right, we're leaving. Fun little park day. We're gonna go back home now. Had some grocery shopping to do and some errands to run, and thought it would be fun to have a picnic. Dave has one more day off. Then he gets to go back to work for a good stretch. And then he'll get another couple days off, or maybe the next time he gets off is when I'm having the baby. He'll get a good 2 weeks off. Guys, this is what's been going on since we got home. I think we've been out here for like 2.5 hours. It is now quiet. The kids have just been having so much fun playing in that kiddie pool over there across the way, and their new playhouse that's right up here on the deck. It's been so nice. Miley's just been like having so much fun. I fell asleep. Dave was like chilling with me on this little love seat. We've really been enjoying our outdoor patio in this past week, like really enjoying it. And I want to say it was like a 2.5 hour fun session out here. Everyone left me. I now need to get up. I've been laying here for too long, and I know I'm going to be super sore getting up. Yes. Oh. My goodness. The sprinklers turned on. The kids are so excited about that. The farmer's got their sprinklers going. It's gonna make its way around this way, and it like shoots out into our yard, and they have so much fun. And then it like turns that way and shoots out into our yard that way. It's so cool. And they have so much fun with that. All right, guys, take a look at the living room. It is definitely a hot mess. We have a rocking chair just sitting in the middle that was kind of in storage. And we are getting it out and going to put it to good use. I'm going to put it in my bedroom. That's where it was originally from my last babies that I had. And then I took a break from having it in my room to kind of clear out some space, make it a little more open. But it is going back in my bedroom. I washed the cover there, got it all cleaned up, freshened up, and it's going to get carried up to my bedroom. We have toys laying all over the floor. We had a popcorn party. The floor needs vacuumed. Stuffed animals. I'm not sure why my cup is down here on the floor. Open cereal. Oh my. Garbage. A little girl chilling. Blankets that need folded. Just so much. Let's get this cleaned up. Easton's demonstrating what I'm going to be doing every day. What am I going to be doing every day? Sitting there what? Rocking in it. You were acting like you were holding a baby. He's not going to redo it for the camera. All right, let's clean up this mess. Okay, I just washed all my couch pillows, took off the covers, and I'm putting them all back on now. Oh my goodness. I recently just did my furniture, cleaned the furniture up. That makes you feel so much better. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit more organization here. I got some new hot pads from Amazon. A little set. 2 gloves and 2 little square pads. And then I needed something for my spices. I just recently did my laundry room / pantry. All organized. It's beautiful. It's been working out great. We've been loving it. But now I need to clean out my spices. My spice cabinet. Look at this. It is quite unorganized. So, and it's just hard to get to. So we got these cool things. It's just hard to get to our spices too. And it's just really unorganized. I want them all out. So I got these magnets to go right here. Nice.
Talk it over.
You have to know when they're ready. This one's ready for you. I need to play it. You got play.
Comes with little hooks. And I thought about hanging these.
My wife stupid.
And there it is. What is happening? Is he a monster getting you?
Yeah, and this is the one here I have.
Oh, let's see.
This is my
Oh, he's gonna get you, Miley.
hair.
Get her. It's nice. There they are. It's all out. I love the organization. It's there.